If you are here, it means you are looking for a way to propagate your African violet, and in this video, I'll show you all details you need to propagate your plant from single leaf to flowering and mature plants. I'll show you how to propagate them from leaves, which kind of potting mix you need to use, and how to properly take care of them until flowering stage. Let's start with the propagation. It's very easy to take the leaves. You can pinch them or use scissor. So I know I'm choosing these old and dying leaf, like this one. Here you can see these leaves is not healthy and happy. Or this one, which is a little bit better. You can see it. And you need to have a jar of water and put them in a water, like this one and this one. These are results after 8 weeks. You can see after 8 weeks, these dying leaves produce new roots and new plants with 2 leaves, and it's quite amazing and nice. Next step is transferring them into pots. What I'm using is combinations of 30 or 20% perlite with the potting mix, and you need to mix them very well. Combination of 20 to 30% of perlite plus 80% or 70% of potting mix will make nice draining mixture for your plant. I suggest to use small pots because it will help plants to start blooming or flowering earlier. If you have a bigger pot, it takes longer time. Another point about pot. Choose pot with the proper drainage holes at the bottom, which will be best to grow healthy root system for your plant. You need to fill pot with the mixed potting mix that we've prepared. And we need to take 2 plants. So I will take 2 per pot. This one. And this one. And just we need to cover it slightly and nicely with potting mix. And this is a result after 6 months. You can see there are many flowers open, and there are many that they will be open soon, so plant is very happy. And believe or not, I'm keeping this plant in a bookshelf and far from window, and just supported by these LED lights. If you don't have a bright window or place close to the bright window to keep them, you can just use artificial lights LED for plants, and you can see after 5-6 months this plant is very happy. Regarding temperature and watering, keep in mind this plant needs good amount of water but not over watering, and for watering is better idea to start watering from bottom, not top, and then soil by its own will absorb water. For watering you need to wait that top layer of soil should be dry, and keep in mind it's recommended not to do watering on the top because it will hurt leaves, but I did it, nothing happened. I think this trace should be because of watering, but anyway, stay on a safe side and do watering from below, from bottom to top. For temperature, keep it on a room temperature, something between 18 to 20 degree centigrade. It will be perfect for these plants, and usually in our apartments we have that kind of temperature around 20 to 24 degrees. By the way, if you think this video is useful, don't forget to like or subscribe to my channel and join my community. Regarding fertilizer, usually they don't need too much fertilizer. I started this plant in June and now is December, So in these 6 months, never I use fertilizer. But I think after this round of flowering, maybe I need to repot this plant or just add some general fertilizer to boost the growth. Regarding pruning, you don't need to prune when your plant is happy, but if you have leaves that they are not happy, you can prune them and start new plants using those leaves. Finally, if you want to learn more about the propagation from leaves, especially those leaves that they are not happy, please watch this video.